In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in HubSpot email. First, we need to generate your table code. To do this, go to a free online HTML table generator like Div Table or Tables Generator. These tools are user-friendly and allow you to create a table quickly. You will see options to customize your table's rows, columns, and styles. Take your time to build the table and add your desired text. Once you have finalized your table, copy the generated HTML code to your clipboard. This step is crucial because the HTML code is what allows your table to be displayed correctly in the email. Now, open your email in HubSpot. Navigate to the left-hand panel of Modules. Here you will find various options to enhance your email design. Look for the option labeled More. This feature provides you with additional modules that can be added to your email. Click on it to expand the options available. This action is important because it allows you to access the HTML module, which is essential for inserting custom code. Next, choose the HTML email module. Once you locate it, drag it to where you want the table to appear in your email. Positioning is key here. Make sure you place the module in the right spot to maintain your email's flow and design. This visual placement helps ensure that your recipients see the table exactly where you intend. It's a straightforward action, but it significantly impacts how your email will be perceived. After you have positioned the HTML module, look to the left-hand sidebar. Here you will find the content panel where you can enter your HTML code. Paste your copied HTML code into this content panel. This action is vital as it enables HubSpot to interpret the code and display your table properly. You should see your table render instantly in the email preview section. This instant feedback is reassuring, confirming that your work is progressing as intended. Now the next step is to review and send your email. Click on the Review and Send button to test how the table looks in your preview. This option allows you to see your email as your recipients will. Checking the layout, alignment, and overall appearance of your table is crucial for ensuring professionalism. A well-structured email can enhance engagement and convey your message effectively. Take a moment to ensure everything appears as you envisioned. With that ready, don't forget to test different devices and email clients for compatibility. This is particularly important because rendering may vary across platforms. Ensuring a consistent appearance across devices can make a big difference in how your message is received. Testing helps you catch any unexpected issues before your email reaches its audience. Finally, once you are satisfied with the preview, you can proceed with sending your email. This final action marks the completion of your effort to add a table in HubSpot email. Congratulations! You have successfully integrated a table into your email, enhancing its functionality and presentation. It's a simple yet effective way to organize information and make your email stand out. Thank you for following along and happy emailing.